If you have recently purchased something from the Mercari website, then how can you easily cancel your order and stop it in between the transit? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and let's start this video without any further delay. How to cancel your Mercari order in the 3 steps available that is too easy for you. The first step is you simply have to find the order status of your order. To cancel an order, find the order status of your order, click Request Cancellation and choose the reason for your cancellation request. Mercury will confirm the seller if that they have not shipped the item. They will cancel your order in about 24 hours. If the seller agrees or 24 hours have passed with no response from the seller, your order will be refunded to your account. This is the only way you can just file a refund for or your Mercury account or order. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.